Hey Geek, so if you've never been to Laos before, or just Southeast Asia in general, well, it is chaotic. And I'm here in Vientiane, which is the capital city of Laos. This is the largest city. And man, if you've never experienced this before, it's definitely going to be shocking. At least it was for me. Coming from America, where traffic is typically very organized, let's just say that, where people stay in their lane, they obey lights and things like that. But here in Laos and most of Southeast Asia, those things are just like suggestions more than rules. And so people just kind of get in wherever they can. And so in this case, not only do you have to deal with cars, trucks, semis, but you also have to deal with things like animals. You might see goats here, chickens, lots of dogs, cats, motorcycles. There's just all types of things here. And at the same time, since it is so lax when it comes to the rules of traffic, it's really dangerous, or it can be dangerous if you are not paying attention, especially if you're walking on the side or trying to cross the street. You could easily get hit by any one of these things at any point in time. So that's the first thing I would say. If you've never been here before, you definitely have to look at where you're going, what's behind you and all around you, especially at night. And then the second thing is, since there's just so much congestion and traffic, and the laws here for pollution and stuff, it's definitely not as strict as it is in America. There's just a lot of pollution here. There's trash, a lot of dust, smog. Yeah, it's not the best place if you want clean, fresh air, at least here in Vientiane. But other parts of Laos in the country, there's really great nature and stuff out there. And then also, as you're walking through all of this, you really have to be careful with dogs and cats. Okay, I mentioned that a little bit earlier. Not only can they pose a traffic threat, but more importantly, they could pose a threat to you as you're walking. People getting bitten by dogs and cats, it's like a common thing, and you could get rabies, which is definitely not a good thing. And so that's another thing that you have to worry about coming here to Laos, specifically here in Vientiane. But even most of the country, there's a lot of stray dogs and cats all around, and it's mostly the dogs that cause the most problems. And then I would say the other thing when it comes to just the overall environment here in Vientiane is that it's not walkable at all. I mean, there's only a few places you can walk. Most of the touristy spots, there's not like things like parks to go walk in. There are just like 2 spots really, but the rest of the city, it's just this, you know, you're trying to find a place to walk, but you're not going to find really nice parks or stuff like that. Like I said, there's really only 2 spots right now that you could do that in Vientiane. And that's something that I really miss, going to other cities in and around Asia, specifically Tokyo or Malaysia, or even in Thailand. There's just more areas for you to walk in. And then when you couple with that with the pollution and traffic and everything else, it's just not a great walking experience, at least for me. And so those are my thoughts on the chaos of Vientiane, Laos. I definitely want to say, you know, if you are going to be coming here, just realize this is what you're going to be experiencing. There's a lot of chaos, but then again, there's still a lot of beauty in Laos, and there's a lot of things to appreciate in Vientiane as well. So if you actually have any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my travel videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. And if you did enjoy these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on another episode